she will make points. But we cannot put everything on her. Mabigat, kawawa naman siya. So, hindi naman siya nagpunta rito para buhatin kami. Kailangan magtulungan kami. Okay naman, pati yung mga substitution ko, yung paikot-ikot ng tao, gumagana eh. Kaya, masaya ako. Marina, again, is on our side. Happy ako.
Coach, nung nakaraan din sinabi nyo na papaangat na yung Capital One at patuloy na pinapatunayan ng team na gano'n na nga yung nangyayari. Gano'n lang kayo kasaya, tsaka parang ano pang nakikita nyo kung gano'n ka-determined yung team siguro na manalo pa ng manalo? Kasi ito na rin yung conference best eh.
Magdidepende lahat yan, ano. Kasi kami, the group, the team itself, talagang gusto namin umangat. I explained to them sa dugout kanina, since most of the players are not with this team during the first conference, hindi nila na-experience yung experience namin na para kaming mga kung sinong player na lang na kuhaan ng panalo, na pinagtatawanan. Kaya sabi ko, kailangan boost nyo kasi gusto naming makabawi. Naintindihan naman nila yung mga iba. Okay ako, andyan si Irish. Less ang management ko sa kanya as a setter. Andyan si Marina. Bibigyan ko lang siya ng encouragement. Kasi sabi ko nga kay Marina kanina, whatever happens, hit it as hard as you can. I'm on your back. Kasi merong mga instances na yung ang lakas sa backline, Marina is very strong pero marami siyang ginaganon-ganon. Marami siyang off speed. Siyempre, pagod. Maybe she's tired. But I have a specific instruction kay Irish Tolenada who was serving. I think it was you who was serving last service. I told Irish, whatever happens, give it to Marina. No one else except Marina. Give it to her. If it's outside, so be it. Pinalo nito. Tumama doon sa block. Ay, di nanalo kami. Ganun lang naman yan. There are simple things, simple instructions to boost the morale. Kasi they're getting tired also. You could just imagine, 6 o'clock yata mahigit na tapos. We started at 3 p.m. 3 hours maglaro ka rin. Basketball nga, hindi kaya siguro yun. Yeah, you have to say something to them that they can forget their whatever they feel. Kaya mga simpleng bagay lang. At saka yung sa mga player namin, magdidepende sa mangyayari sa mga susunod na araw. Medyo malalim, Magdidepende. Marami kasing mga basta. Ayoko nang munang magsalita. Basta kami, maglalaro na lang. Bahala silang lahat. Sino man yung mga tumutulig sa amin. Baka mas masaya pa silang natatalo kami kaysa nananalo kami. Bahala sila sa buhay nila. Wala akong fakti sa kanila.
Coach, aside from Marina, yung ginawa rin ni Iris at saka ni Roma May sa Floor
Roma May?
Oo. Masasabi mo doon, leadership din ni Iris.
Ganyan, si Iris talaga. I left everything to Iris. Sabi ko, in the dugout, I told Iris, I told them, you follow Iris. Iris is my extension inside the home. I cannot talk to you. I cannot whisper to you. But Iris is there for you to talk to her. So extension ko siya. Pinababayaan ko siya. Hindi ko siya pinakikialam kung anong gagawin niya. I left everything to her. Si Roma naman, napaka-stable ni Roma. Pero natawa ako nung fifth set eh. Pinakasimpleng bola. Diba meron siya hindi nakuha. Sabi ko, Diyos ko, ano yung 12-13 yun eh. Pang 14 yata kami. Ay pang, basta lamang kami nun eh. Simpleng bola, sabi ko nga kay Roma, ano ka ba? Sa galing mong dumipensa, yung pinakasimple, doon ka pa nag-error. Tatawanan na lang naman namin. Napakaganda ni Romang addition. Roma is a very good addition to our team. Very stable on defense. Very good on reception. Hindi ko nga alam bakit. Buti na lang walang nag-pick sa kanya. Ako ang nakaisip mag-pick sa kanya. Hindi ko alam bakit. Or nailabas ko lang yung laro ni Rob siguro. Mas makalmante siya, mas relax siyang naglalaro. I do not know. Ask her na lang.
Just to add for Marina, tonight, they said it already, you made history with the PVL. What type of player are you whenever you're inside the court? Are you more of like pouring all your emotions like some of the players? Or are you more like shutting down first your emotions than just doing on the work?
I'm not that emotional player, yes. But I need it. And team helps me with this. So every day, even practices, I'm coming to practice and girls are always smiling, always ask me same emotions. So here I can see the difference when I'm playing with emotions and without. So when I'm without emotions, and coach, you told me the same, right? You told me I want to hear you. So when everyone can hear me, I do the better job. And yes, it's like this, so I have to think about it and I have to change my game for like more emotional. But it takes a lot of power, you know, from you. When you're like screaming after to go and attack again, yeah, it's hard. But we have to.
Naririnig niyo ba yung tili niya, yung scream niya? Siya yun eh. Sabi ko kay Marina, I want to hear your voice. Because it gives us all
Yes, it is really.
Uy, Marina is on her tip-top shape. I have to follow her. Pag tahimik kasi, siyempre, if she's silent, everybody is worried. Why is she silent?
I'm sorry, I will more coach.
Wala na ba kayo? Bibigyan, baka may dollars pa kayo.
Marina, you led the team to another big win. Was there any different to how you prepared for this game, or where your mindset was heading into this game?
I couldn't sleep yesterday night. I couldn't eat today. So it was like this, yes. And I was fighting with my stress all these days. It was another preparation for exactly this game. I did another things I cannot share with you all, but yeah, it was different. And yeah, thank you to people around me, to my close friends. Yeah, I appreciate it. Thanks them.
Thank you, Coach.
Thank you.
Uy, thank you sa management, sa mga supporters ng Capital One. Medyo lumalago-lago na kami. Maraming salamat sa inyo ha. Nandiyan lang kayo. We're in for more surprises. Saka doon sa mga doktor ko, maraming salamat po, Dr. Rausias.